Hi, welcome back to the coding world. So, in this session, we'll be learning about how to convert decimal numbers to binary. If you can remember, in session 1 and 2, we had a topic based on binary numbers where I had told you that computers will not at all understand the numbers which we know. So, whatever input, like the instructions or the commands which you pass to the computer, everything will be converted into binary language, which is zeros and ones. It can be alphabets, the numbers, the images, whatever it is. So, we'll be learning how to convert these decimal numbers to binary today. And it's very, very simple if you just get to know how to convert it. So, let's get started. So, here I have the table of the numbers. The decimal numbers are on the left side and the binary numbers are on the right side. You can see that the numbers are from 1 to 15. So, the maximum is 15. I'll tell you why once I start explaining about it. And you can also see that there are just like four bits of numbers on the right side, like I have given 0 0 0 1, right? If you can remember, we also had a concept of bytes, bits and all in session 2. I had explained it to you. So if you want, you can just go back to session 2 if you did not check it out, or if you do not remember, you can just look into that and then you will get to know about it. So let me start with this. So first I would like to tell you as how to convert this. So first you will have to get to know there is a pattern called 8, 4, 2 and 1. So you will have to remember this pattern. Okay. So now let me just draw a kind of table here. Let me start with the number 0. If my decimal number is 0, how do I convert it into binary? Obviously, we do not have 8, it's 0, not 4, not 2, or not 1. So, what's the binary of the number 0? It's 0 0 0 0. Going to the next one, 1. How do we convert this to the binary format? Now, where do you see 1 in this pattern? So, we have 1 over here. So, I'll just make this as 1. And the rest of the things will be 0 0 and 0. So what's the binary format of the decimal number 1? It's 0 0 0 1. I hope you're understanding it. To make it simple, I can tell you in this way. So on is considered as 1, off is considered as 0. For example, if you switch on the light, it's on, right? It's 1. If you switch off the light, it'll be 0. So that is how the computer will understand the on and off. If you're giving it as true, true will be 1. And how about false? Obviously, it will be the opposite of 1, which is 0. Because we just have two things in binary. It can be either 0 or 1, none other than that. And what else? Okay, now let me go to the next one. I'll just draw a few lines again. So remember the pattern: 8, 4, 2 and 1. So we are done with 0 and 1. The next one. How do I convert the number 2? Just 2 becomes 1 and the rest of the numbers will be 0. And how do we tell 2 in terms of binary format? 0 0 1 0. Okay, and 3. How do I make 3? 2 plus 1 is 3. So only these two bits will be 1 and these two bits will be 0. So 0, 0, 1, 1 is the pattern of 3. So look at this. Coming back to the table, 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1 and 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. That is how we calculated it, right? Now let me go back. Okay, now let us start with number 4. 8, 4, 2, 1. So how do I write 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. How do I write 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. How do I write 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now going to the next set of numbers. 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. Are you understanding? I hope you are. 7, because 4 plus 2 plus 1 makes 7. 8, here it comes. 9 is 8 plus 1. Okay, then we'll go to the number 10. Okay, so 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, where the rest of the numbers will be 0. 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11. This will be 0. 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 0, 0. Then the next one, 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 0. And how about 14? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 0. Then comes 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, I have a question for you. If I go ahead with 16, will you be able to convert this to binary? We have already reached the maximum number, which is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now count the number of bits here. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. You cannot go beyond 15, and that's the reason I told you that the maximum number which you can go for this is still 15. Okay, so this is how we convert the decimal numbers to binary. I hope this is clear for you. Wasn't it simple, guys? Okay, so this is all about decimal to binary conversion, and thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next session.